the way you talk to yourself, your mind, the way you treat yourself, it really affects. That's why I started teaching self-love workshops. That as soon as you speak your dreams out, they happen. So that
talk about manifestation.
Yeah, absolutely.
Hey everyone, welcome to DARPAN Chat Central. Beauty with a purpose is the message that my next guest wants to share. She's 19 years old, an accomplished actress and a model, and has taken part in various beauty pageants, won national and provincial titles, and her most recent title is Miss Teen International Canada 2022. Let's say a warm hello to Samriddhi Singh. Hi Samriddhi, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, Ish. Thank you for having me.
Yes, thank you for taking the time. A huge congratulations.
Thank you. It means the world.
Love the sash. love the tiara. Yes, very shiny. So tell me a little bit about how the journey began for you.
So when I was 3 years old, I wanted to become an actress. I went and I told my parents that I want to be an actor, I want to be a model, and that kind of stuck with me throughout my entire childhood. So I started acting in theater productions and then did some short films, but I developed eczema. For those that may not know, eczema is a skin rash caused by having dry skin. And it really affected me when I was a child because it was extreme. It would cover my full legs and full arms. And, you know, family is constantly telling you that maybe you should cover up because it doesn't look as nice. And they may have the best intentions at heart, but it still does affect the way you feel about yourself. So I was in this constant self-pity, honestly. I didn't think I was good enough to achieve anything. I didn't think I could be an actor because I didn't look a certain way. And then one day I thought, that's enough. I don't really care what other people think. And I started slowly changing the way I felt about myself and started stepping into my confidence, practicing self-love. That's when I got introduced to beauty pageants. And I thought, I never saw anyone in the media, in movies, TV, modeling. I never saw anyone with eczema competing or, you know, just being represented. So I became that person for everyone else.
That's such a great story.
And once I did that, my eczema healed on its own.
Isn't that something? Oh my goodness.
So it's the way you talk to yourself, your mind, the way you treat yourself, it really affects. That's why I started teaching self-love workshops.
That's phenomenal. So our whole life we've heard that there's a very strong mind-body connection, and here's another concrete example of that. That physical healing also began for her once she started believing in herself 100%. That is so great. I know you've won quite a few different titles, so walk me through all of them. And you know, of course, your most recent is Miss Teen International Canada. But yeah, walk me through all the other coveted titles that you've got.
So 5 years ago, I did my first pageant, Miss Teenage British Columbia, and within that I didn't win that title, but I won a different title. I won the title of Miss Teenage Lower Mainland 2017.
Wow.
And then I went on to compete at Miss Teenage Canada, so nationals at 14. I didn't really do well there, but that's okay. That was held in Toronto. I traveled all by myself and was there for a week competing, so it was a lot of fun. And then I took a break for about 3 years.
Wow.
And I went back to Miss Teen Canada in 2020, and I placed as the first runner-up Miss Teen Canada. And then COVID happened, and I was supposed to go international because the winner and the first runner-up do, and I didn't really get to. So I was doing a self-love workshop at an elementary school. And I told them that I was supposed to go international and I'd love to someday. And they said, Sammy, I really hope you get to go one day. Not 5 hours after that, I got a call saying, Sammy, you're going to international.
Oh my goodness.
So,
and it was one of those, oh my God, my heart just skipped a beat moment, right?
Yeah, it absolutely was. That as soon as you speak your dreams out, they happen. So then
talk about manifestation.
Yeah, absolutely. So in February or March, I was crowned as the Miss Personality British Columbia 2022.
Wow.
and then now Miss Teen International Canada.
That is such a cool journey. That's amazing.
Thank you.
And is there a message you'd like to share with young women, young girls out there who want to make their dreams come true, who want to, be part of competitions? Anything you want to share with them?
I would say you are as capable as you believe yourself to be. If you believe you're only going to accomplish 50% of your goals, then you're only going to accomplish those 50%. You have to put 100% of your belief and your faith in you, your goals, your ambitions. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks. As long as you're happy, you're safe, you're not hurting someone, that's all that matters.
So just keep going, eh?
Keep going, hard work pays off.
Right. Thanks so much for taking the time. We truly appreciated it. And good luck to you at Miss Teen International, which is taking place in Ecuador. So wishing you all the best.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.